Look at this 2009 Toyota Tacoma. Carfax has certified this Tacoma as having one owner. This Tacoma has just under 22,000 miles. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This vehicle gets 14 miles per gallon in the city, and 19 on the highway. This Tacoma boasts a 2.7-liter inline-4 engine, and has an automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include power steering, MP3, climate control, driver airbag and bedliner. Call 877-542-2424 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.